Major leading keto cooks who will provide you with mouth-watering recipes have done an in-depth research to program excess fat reduction diets. You'll anticipate each and every meal as your diet might be satisfying, and you'll adapt to it very nicely ultimately. Loads of usually utilized ingredients in our recipes are available on Amazon. Conserve time by acquiring them shipped to your doorway. I used to be very discouraged. In the future, I found a short article within the keto diet system and made a decision to try it out as it had been very affordable much too. The specialists had been so helpful and encouraged me to attain my target without having to sacrifice my delightful menus. Thanks to the keto food plan. Samantha. Diet foods, foods that incorporate synthetic colors, preservatives and sweeteners, for instance sugar, alcohols and aspartame. External efforts are important, but interior is similarly critical. This is where the function of metabolism is essential. The extra fat cells are then able to enter the bloodstream and make their method to the liver. The place they can be was ketones for energy processing. Providing your diet allows you to stay in a caloric deficit, you can get to benefit from the fat reduction. Great things about the keto diet. You want to know you're executing keto effectively. I entirely recognize that. Which is what all of us for the Keto Summit want. That may help you with. However, it's straightforward to get overwhelmed with the amount of knowledge online, significantly of which can be mistaken or impractical. Should you be a type of sailing in the identical boat, searching for approaches to attain permanent fats reduction and preserve your superior wellness, right here's in close in your concerns. HDL cholesterol will help eradicate the human body's terrible cholesterol reserves. When you're on keto, the body's triglyceride amounts slide, plus your HDL cholesterol concentrations increase. However, fat is usually averted for its superior calorie information. Study demonstrates that ketogenic diets are considerably simpler at promoting fat loss than very low fats diets. 4. Ketosis is actually a purely natural metabolic point out that occurs on a really very low carb diet. It is actually thought to be protected, but may well induce some negative effects while in the is a web-based system that provides you with a customized motion prepare for transitioning into the ketogenic lifestyle. With it, you receive all of the information, recipes, food designs and cookbooks necessary to realize success through the future 8 weeks and perfectly just after. To provide you with click here an idea of what you can hope, below's a sneak peek at the different components. It is no top secret that adhering to a high fats and minimal carb diet can lead to weight loss. Limiting extremely processed carbohydrates is a commonality amid most diet plans since it functions. The ketogenic diet can take this one stage even further and encourages followers to restrict all carbohydrates, even most fruits and greens, in an effort to reach ketosis. So how exactly does that function? Very simple. Scientific points point out that if you take in a lot more calories than you are doing burn off, you obtain body weight.